Hi, Scott Murray, Level 5 Tools. I wanted to just walk you through our flat box line. Again, a lot of finisher-driven design elements in these things, but these are simple products. Obviously, a flat box is very similar across every brand out there. You'll notice that we've got the same, brass blade holder as anyone else has. You've got that in there with a bit of a curved feature there to give you your finish. We've got our adjustments, 1 through 5, again, when you're going from your fill coat to your skim coat. You've got your adjustments here on the front side of the box so that you can get more or less flex from your brass blade holder. Again, very, very similar, if not exactly like every other box out there. We have a very, again, simple design in here, just like your traditional flat boxes, easy to take apart, easy to clean, and it's also easy to put back together. Once you've done your cleaning, just pop that back in and you're off to the races. We do ship these with a lighter weight spring than most do because we want to reduce the push force when you're actually using the box. So that's a feature that we've actually got patent pending, along with our white non-marring wheels. Some guys don't like the black wheels; they leave a track on the wall. You got your traditional shoes and skids on the side that hold in your brass blade holder. We've got extruded aluminum CNC machine side plates. And every one of these extrusions is custom. You'll notice even on the front, we've incorporated this crossbar into the extrusion versus that being an independent piece from some other brands that are out there. Again, it's just one less thing you've got to mess with from a maintenance perspective. To change the blade, very simple. You just pop it out, put another one in. You'll see a video on that later. And then also, just the brass blade holder. So again, a very, very simple design. We go across the full range. One other thing I need to point out. We've got this new feature that's an add-on to the boxes. We call it our outsider. This allows you to finish outside corner bead with your flat box, which is a huge time saver and a quality improver. These are extruded stainless steel versus plastic, like you may see from some others out there. And you've got a little hub that goes on the inside of your wheel so that you can hook that on the outside of the corner and run your outside corners with your flat box. A really, really nice feature, and you can put this on any brand of flat box that's out there. So that's something you really ought to take a look at when you're looking at our flat boxes. Again, the outsider from Level 5. Across the range, we go 7, 10, 12, and 14. The 14-inch is the newest addition to the line. Really a nice product. Ultra smooth operation, the same kind of design features that we have across the board. A lot of folks are using these now, doing a 2-coat with a 14 and getting out of the job and having a very, very nice finish. So this new 14-inch box is something you really ought to consider because it's a real game changer for some folks that are for the finishing community out there. And then we've got our mega boxes. We got the 7, 10, and 12-inch high capacity boxes. Again, they'll probably hold about 25% more joint compound. Combining all those together, we've got a set of extendable flat box handles. We cover the full range from 23 inches all the way up to 78 inches. So the broadest range of coverage for any extendable flat box offering out there. Again, this is our 42 to 60 inch, 42 to 62 inch handle. Very, very simple design. Very, very easy to operate. Very, very positive grip. When you grip that trigger, you get an immediate stop on your flat box. Extruded aluminum back plate there that attaches to your flat box, and this will work with every flat box out there on the market. And again, this is designed to be not only robust and strong, but it's also designed to be easy repair. So across the line, we got 4 sizes of extendable handles. We've got 7 sizes of flat boxes. We've got this innovative feature called the outsider. And again, you're going to find these to be very, very reliable and easy to operate and repair. So check these out on our website, level5tools.com. Welcome to the Red Zone.